Airing soon on Mystic Vibes.
You know, it's always a struggle for the female. Now I've seen some improvement. Some sisters have come aboard to make their contribution, but I want to see more sisters because this thing it's about balance. As you can see, we are on this tour. It's a balance tour. Where there's a king, there's got to be a queen. Where there's an emperor, there's got to be the empress. Where there's a lion, there's got to be the lioness. So this is what we're reflecting in reggae music right now. I want to see more sisters.
90 producers like Dennis Brown. He saw me at a talent show in Alpha Tree, a place called the Bohemian Club, and that's when I started doing my first recording. I also record at the same time with Scratch, Lee Perry, yeah? And then I link up after with Ducky them, with Black Uhuru, and we recorded Wood From a Fire for Dennis Brown label.
First of all, Bob is the king, all day and all night. And big up to his son, Ziggy. Big up to you, Ziggy, if you're listening to me. I ain't forget about you. We met out in Europe. We were hanging out. We were supposed to get together in California out there. Biggie. Damn, he's Biggie. No, Biggie, wait, let's think, no, he's big somewhere around here. Yo, but Ziggy, no question, is holding it down for Pops. I was at a concert, I think where was we at, London? I don't know, where was he, Ziggy? Sydney, Australia. Oh, right, where am I at? Okay, we was in Sydney, Australia. He gave a great show, excellent show. I was in there checking him out, and when he threw on Bob's songs, it was like Bob was there.